Want to change the voice actor in Free Fire but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to change voice actor in Free Fire. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on sounds from the left side of your screen. Now click on Quick Messages button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the bottom left corner of your screen, there is Mail button. Click on it. Now the voice actor is changed to female. After that, click on the Save button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that's how you can change voice actor in Free Fire. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.